Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First we need to open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. After you open the FITBIT application, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the account icon right here in the top left corner to open the account page. And here you should see your Inspire 3 on the list of devices connected to your account. Now tap on it to select the Inspire 3. On this page, tap on the bin icon in the top right corner. Tap on Unpair. And after a couple of seconds, the device should disappear from the list of devices right here. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone just to be sure. So press and hold on the Bluetooth icon right here and check if you have the FITBIT device on the list of devices connected to your phone. If it was here, because it's not on my phone, but let's say it was on yours, or it is on yours, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device again to confirm and disconnect it from your phone. Okay, and at this point the smartband should be completely unpaired from your Android device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.